Hey innovators, welcome back to Learn New Things, your weekly dose of AI, web dev, and future tech. Before we get started, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family so they stay ahead in tech just like you. Alright, big updates today. From Google's AI coding revolution to OpenAI's GPT-5 release. Let's jump in. First up, Google has unveiled Jules, an AI-powered coding agent built right into GitHub workflows. Think of Jules as your coding partner. It can generate code, refactor messy functions, and even help you learn new programming concepts, all without leaving your version control setup. Students can use it to understand best coding practices, while professionals can speed up collaboration and automate repetitive tasks. This is a direct challenge to AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot, but with Google's deep integration into the cloud and AI ecosystem, Jules could be a game changer. Over in Japan, NTT has introduced foundational technology for multi-agent AI systems, basically AI agents working as virtual teams. Imagine a software project where instead of a group of humans, you have a team of AI bots, one for code, one for testing, one for documentation, all working together autonomously. This could revolutionize how complex projects are built from research to engineering, boosting productivity like never before. Big one here, OpenAI has officially launched GPT-5. This is their most advanced AI model yet, with major leaps in reasoning, speed, and customization for developers. GPT-5 isn't just about chatting. It can handle complex reasoning tasks, code generation, and even multimodal inputs faster than ever. And yes, all ChatGPT users now have access to it, making it one of the biggest moments in the ongoing AI race. Meanwhile, in a surprise move, Tesla has shut down its Dojo supercomputer unit. CEO Elon Musk has decided to reallocate resources, leading to the departure of key technical leaders. Dojo was meant to accelerate Tesla's self-driving tech, so this marks a big shift in strategy. Some analysts say this could slow Tesla's autonomous vehicle progress, while others think it's a strategic redirection towards different AI projects. Developers, listen up. Visual Studio Code's August 2025 update is here. Highlights include Python 3.13 plus support, an improved Python environments extension, and smarter terminal suggestions. If you're into data science or Python automation, these updates make workflows smoother and more efficient. Lastly, Google has released Ads API version 21, adding AI-powered tools for search campaign optimization and expanded reporting features. For digital marketers and web professionals, this means better automation, more insights, and smarter campaign management. And that's your weekly tech roundup. Which story excited you the most? Jules, GPT-5, or Tesla's big move? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget, hit subscribe and share this video with your friends and family who love staying ahead in tech. See you in the next episode of Learn New Things.